Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate it if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a 28mm stainless steel Rolex Datejust 28. This is a 28mm watch with a silver star diamond dial. Has a white gold fluted bezel and a Jubilee bracelet. Model reference number for this watch is 279174. The retail price on this watch as of 2022 is $10,650 US. I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and the bracelet, and I'll give some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. The Rolex Datejust 28 is Rolex's small size for their ladies lineup. It's larger than the outgoing model of 26mm, but it's still smaller than the next size up, which is a 31mm case. It measures 28mm from my thumb to my pointer finger here. The case is 28mm, and it is high polished to a mirror finish on the side, and also on the legs holding the bracelet. The water resistance on this watch is up to 100 meters or 330 feet. There's also a screw-down case back on the back, so it actually adds to the waterproofness of the watch. So it's okay for you to go swimming with this watch on your wrist. It's going to hold up just fine. The bezel here is crafted in 18 karat white gold. Wraps up this dial nicely with a super crisp look. Sparkles whichever way you look at it. Going to the dial, we're looking at this beautiful star dial with silver dial with star-shaped diamond hour markers. Rolex's diamond hour markers are usually a circle shape, but in this case, is just kind of special. We also have a diamond 9 o'clock position, so Roman numeral 9. You'll see a date here at the 3 o'clock position, and you also see sword-shaped hour and minute hands in white gold. You're going to have a hard time seeing this watch in the dark or in low light conditions because there's no luminescence on this watch. Going on to the date here at the 3 o'clock position under the Cyclops window. This magnifies the window about 2.5 times the original size for easy viewing. The crown here at the 3 o'clock position can be wound in its first position once it's unscrewed from the case. Let's go ahead and do that. Easy to wind. Now setting the time. One click out is going to be able to adjust the date. You see me cycle through the date rather quickly. And then one more click out is going to be able to adjust the hour and minute hands. Once you have your hand set, you can just pop down the crown, screw it down, and your watch is set. Now the movement that runs this watch is a caliber 2236. It has the hour, minute, date, and center seconds functions. Power reserve is about 55 hours, so you can set this watch down on a Friday night, pick it back up on a Monday morning. Should still be keeping time. The movement of your wrist actually winds this watch as it is self-winding. Going on the bracelet that holds this watch, we're looking at a stainless steel Jubilee bracelet with a half polish. Center links are polished to a mirror finish, and the outer links are a satin finish. There's a concealed clasp here. Actually opens up using this Rolex crown clasp. Opens it up easily, so you can just pop that watch on your wrist. Closes up just as easily. If you look at the side profile of this bracelet, you'll notice that the shape of those links are actually a little bit thinner, or actually the bracelet's thinner, and the shape of the links is more like a D shape rather than a semicircle shape. Or half circle shape, like your normal Rolex Jubilee bracelets. So Rolex probably made this bracelet a little bit thinner just to match this watch. As far as what I think about this watch, if you're in the market for a Rolex watch and you don't want something big and clunky to wear around, this watch might be for you. Ladies with a smaller frame, maybe 110 pounds and under, might consider getting this watch. Works well as an everyday watch due to its wearability. It's easy to pair with clothes. It's a stainless steel watch. It's automatic. It's got a second hand, and it's also got a date. Those are all things I'd be looking for in an everyday wear watch. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch on, we have it on our website, jazztime.com. The model reference number again is 279174. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. So go to jazztime.com. Thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.